Good morning, Miss Bhuvaneshwari.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Yes. Good morning, everybody. To join today's session. So we can combine today's session for business analysis and then Power BI. Okay. So, how we are going to creating efficient dashboard with using Power BI to improve your business. This is the target for today's training. Okay. Uh, okay. So, let me introduce myself. I am Radha Armugam from CADD Training Center. Okay, so we have two branches in PG as well as a EPO. And then today we have a wonderful uh, Microsoft certified trainer with us, Miss Bhuvaneshwari. She having more than 5 years of that is experience in this industrial field. Okay, so without any delay, okay, so let me start the session now. Okay, so during this session, do you have any doubt or clarification? Means please write your question in the chat box. Okay, so later she will clarify your doubts. Okay, if you have any question, means you may unmute your mic and then talk to her in the question and then answer session. Okay, so at the end of the session, we will share the attendance links to you. So please fill up the attendance form at the end of the session, and then later I will inform you what are the free as well as self-paid courses with us. Okay, so let me discuss that as end of the session. Okay, Miss Bhuvaneshwari. Okay,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
so give a one tea break in between the session as well because 2 hours continuous means a
Yeah,
little burden for the students. Okay,
sure.
so you can plan accordingly.
Yeah, sure, ma'am.
Okay, so now the session will be handed over to Miss Bhuvan. Okay, Miss Bhuvan, please take over the session.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. So, hi everyone. Hope you all are doing good. So, yeah. So, before getting into the session, so you all know it's a business analysis and Power BI session. So, did anyone went to Google and searched what is Power BI and why it is used for? So, did anyone know about Power BI? Yeah, it's data visualization tool. So can someone like unmute and answer? So any idea on what is Power BI and what is business analysis?
Data Illustrator, Miss?
Sorry?
Data Illustrator?
Okay. Anyone else? Okay. So yeah, we can get into the session. Let me tell you like the use of Power BI. So let me explain you a real time scenario. So okay, let's all assume that you are running an online clothing store. Okay, so you all are owner of online clothing store. So you are selling through your website and the social media pages every day. So what are the information you will have in your hand if you are a clothing brand owner? So any idea on that? So we will get lots of orders from the customer, and lots of people will be visiting our website for the designs and the clothing, and we'll be getting lots of customer complaints and feedbacks on our brand and anything else. So assume that you are a clothing brand owner. You are running your own clothing store in online. So you will be having all these insights, right? So example, to promote your business, you will be doing ads on social media platforms, and you'll be even doing Google ads. And you want to know how many number of products are in stock, and how many products are missing in stock. And you also wanted to know the revenue and the expense of your business, right? So these all are some basic information that we'll be getting to know if we are running any kind of business, not only clothing, any kind of business. So let's think all this data is sitting in different files like Excel, CSV, databases, and the Google reports. So all this information are present in different kind of file formats. Now, you are the owner of your clothing brand, and you want to know which product sold the most, which category of product sold the most. Either it's pant or shirt or kurti. So which product sold most? If someone is coming and asking you, the owner of the company, the question, uh, how will you answer this? How will you know? Uh, yeah, let me present my screen. Yeah. So let's come get into the session. Like you won't be able to know, right? If you want to tell them like this is the product that sold the most in my brand, means you have to go to your Excel file, you have to do some manual calculations, and then you need to come back and tell. So it's a time consuming process, and sometimes it might be an error, so you can make a wrong calculation. Sometimes it won't be accurate, right? And it's very time consuming, and it is also difficult to keep updated daily. So daily you can't go and you can do this manually in an Excel or CSV, or even if you are having any databases, you can't go and query that in everyday basis. So it's a tedious process. So here comes the solution with the Power BI. So what Power BI does is it's a kind of business. Yeah, it's a business intelligence tool. So business intelligence tools like Power BI, and we have lots of tools in market like Tableau, QuickSight. So these tools helps the raw data turning into meaningful insights. So this is a major thing that Power BI is doing. So the main usage of Power BI is it helps the business people to take the business decisions in a faster and in a very smarter way. So this is the main advantage of Power BI. Yeah, in the PPT also I have mentioned that it's a business intelligence tool. And why Power BI? It's because it's a Microsoft product. In everyday basis, we are using the majority of tools we are using is Microsoft, like SharePoint, OneDrive, and yeah, there are a lot of Microsoft products that we are using. So if we use Power BI, it's easy to integrate with any platform. So that's the main use of going with Power BI. And we also have lots of other tools in market, so you can also take a look on that. So yeah. So as of now, anyone has any questions? So this is how the data will be. It will be in a very raw format. It will be in a table, in a rows and columns, and we are going to make that into an interactive visual. So by seeing this, people can easily tell, okay, this is a product that is, okay, shirt is the product that is selling in maximum. It's a top trending product in my brand. So you can easily go and tell them, so this year I have this revenue, this much of revenue, and this year, last year I have this much of revenue. So you can easily find your growth, the difference, and lots of insights. So anyone has any questions? Let's keep the session interactive. So any questions? Do you all understand why Power BI is? Okay. Yeah. Good. So why Power BI? I have already given you the main reasons, and these are some of the like major reasons to go with Power BI. Like we have multiple data source connectors. Like you can connect with any form of data, either it's in SharePoint, OneDrive, any kind of databases like Google Platform, Azure, AWS, and yeah, and it's quick, easy to learn, innovative and reliable, and it's scalable and secure. We have lots of security options in Power BI, and we have lots of the fourth pointers. We have different type of licensing options we can go with, and we have one like storage option where we can store our data, and here comes the last one, the real-time stream analytics. It's like the streaming analytics is like for a transactional data where you can show reports with live data. So yeah, these are some of the major points to go with Power BI. And we have the Power BI desktop. So hope everyone have installed Power BI desktops in your lab, in your system. Did anyone who didn't install the yet?
Not yet, but we'll install it after this.
Sorry?
Not yet install the software, but I will install it now.
Okay. Miss Bhuvaneshwari,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. Can you guide them to how to install Power BI?
Yeah, sure.
Please share anyone to share the screen and then guide along with us.
Yeah, sure, ma'am. So can anyone share your screen? Who didn't install Power BI? Like, can you put it in the chat? Like, yes, we are going to use the Power BI app during our session. We are going to do hands-on in Power BI, so it will be helpful if you install the app. So Maria Francis, can you screen share? So you can install, you just go to Google and put like Power BI desktop download.
How to install? Okay, 1 minute, ma'am. How to install? Okay, Mr. Lugman, can you please share your screen? Mr. Lugman, can you please share your screen? Miss Bhuvan will guide you how to install the Power BI in your desktop. Can you please share your screen? Mr. Lugman, okay. Clarice. Clarice, are you want to share your screen? Please share, no problem. Miss Clarice, can you please don't have a permission to share. Okay, 1 minute, let me check. Okay, yes. This is for Miss Clarice. Uh, that is one, right? Okay, thank you, Miss Clarice. Okay, everybody, please follow what she is doing. Okay, Miss Bhuvan,
Yeah, ma'am.
yeah, please
So,
guide. Yeah,
yeah, can you type Power BI desktop download?
first option. Miss
Yeah,
Clarice, first option. Power BI desktop. Yes.
yeah. Can you click that first link?
Okay.
Yeah, you have the download option, right? Download now. Yeah. Uh, can you come back and type Power BI desktop download in the search? Desktop download. Yeah. Yeah. Can you go to the first link? Yeah. Can you come down? Yeah. Click that download option. Yeah. Yeah. Give 64.exe. That one. Yes. Download.
Hello, Miss. I want to ask,
Yes.
will you give us the Excel file for us to use in the Power BI later?
Yes. I will give you now. I will
All right.
share you the data set now.
All right.
Yeah, please open that file. No? Are you all following the same steps? Did anyone facing any issues in downloading the file? Okay. So, Clarice, it will take some time to install. So, Clarice, you can go to Task Manager and you can close this. Yeah, just close the Power BI give end task. So anyone who completed the steps, can anyone screen share and show me? So if you all install, can you put it in the chat? Like installed. And did you all downloaded the data set that has been shared in WhatsApp? Okay. Yeah. So let's continue with the presentation. We can come back again. Yeah. So as I told, we have Power BI desktop and Power BI cloud platform. So Power BI desktop is this free application, as we all seen that you all can able to download and install Power BI without any cost or license. So yeah, you can able to install it locally and connect to any kind of data source, and you can do the data visualization. So all that you can do is connect all your data sources like Excel, SQL, Google Ads, any web application data from it. So you can clean and transform the data using Power Query Editor. It's the second step. Then we need to build the data model where we'll be connecting uh, multiple tables to give relationship to them. Example, if you are running a clothing store, uh, your inventory data, like how many number of stocks are there and what are the stocks that's materials that are not in stock. These details you will be stored in an Excel file, and you will be giving a doing a digital marketing, right? So your Google Ads will be stored in a form of Google report. So these are two different versions of file, right? So in order to make this file interconnected, you need to give relationship. So that's the third point, build a data model. And then you can build your report, then publishing it to the cloud platform. Yeah. And we can also schedule automatic refreshes, so reports are always up to date, and we can share the dashboard with your team or to your client in real time. So these are the three major parts that we have in Power BI desktop. These are the different three different views we have. So one is the Power Query, Power Pivot, and the Power View. So Power Query is the place where we do all kind of transformations and data cleaning processes. And Power Pivot is the place where we give data modeling. Like as I told, we will be loading lots of table into Power BI, and if we need to make them live and interactive, we need to give relationship to those tables. I'll show everything in the demo session. We can do hands-on on this. And the Power Views, the place where we drag and drop the visuals like column chart, bar chart, and pie chart, and we will be building the visuals there. So these are the three major parts. And we have the Power BI service. So it's a cloud platform where you will publish a report to the cloud so that everybody can access your report. This flow diagram, yeah, it looks like a complicated one, but once you get into your hands-on thing, it will be very simple. So yeah, we can see this in the upcoming sessions in more detail. And this is the cloud platform. These are the options we have in the cloud platform. I'll share you this file after the session. You can take a look on this. And if you want to upload your files in cloud, and if you want to share that to your any of your friends or clients or to anyone, you need a license option. So Power BI is providing lots of licensing option. It starts with the free license, and it also has trial version, so you all can use the trial version to explore Power BI. Yeah, now we can get into an hands-on session. So once you install the Power BI, this is how it will look when you open the app.
Excuse me, miss.
Yes.
Is it okay if you press the hide button down there because it's blocking the view of your presentation?
Sorry.
There's a hide icon down there beside the stop sharing. Can you press that, please?
Yeah.
Because it's blocked the slide a bit. I mean, just press hide. Oh no,
So my full screen is not visible.
I'm on just now you full screen, but the icon there just block a bit of the information that you present just now.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Rizwan. Ms.
Yeah.
Bhuvanesh, can you please present your screen?
Yes, ma'am. So he's telling me to hide.
No. That is
Just press the icon, hide icon only. Just to remove that bar.
This one.
yeah. Please share your screen.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
You can see clearly. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, thank
you,
you.
Mr. Rizwan.
So yeah. So this is how your Power BI will look when you open the app. Just click the blank report. So as I told you, we have three views: the Power Query, Power Pivot, and the Power View. So this is the Power View where we will be creating our visualization, and at the left corner we have 4 icons. So this is Power View, and this is a table view. So once you load your table into Power BI, you can see the structure of the table here, and you will have the model view, which is called Power Pivot. So here we saw 3 views, right? Power Query, Power Pivot, and Power View. So this is Power View. This is Power Pivot, where we will be grabbing the relationship to the tables. And for the Power Query, you need to go to the transform data at the top. So just click this option. It will take you to another tab. So this is the Power Query platform where we will be doing the transformation and cleaning of data. So as of now, are you all clear, or is there any questions?
Good for now.
Okay. Yeah. Did you all installed and downloaded your data sets, which ma'am has shared you in group? Yeah. So if you all downloaded that, we can create a simple dashboard today. You can follow the steps I'm doing. The first step is like loading the data into Power BI. So for that, we have an option called Get Data here. So when you click the Get Data, Power BI will show you lots of options here. So these are the various data sources option. So your data can be in any format, like Excel. It can be in JSON file, text file. It can be in any websites, and can be in any databases. So today we are going to use the CSV file which ma'am has shared you. So I'm just clicking this. So it will take you to a file manager. So I'm just loading. So today we are going to build a report related to a company and things that HRs will be handling. So I'm just choosing this table, HR employee data, giving open. So I'm giving load here. Yeah, it got loaded. So you can, we have a tab called data. There you can find the table HR employee data and the fields inside that.
Hi, I'm so sorry. Can you show me how to load the data? Because I'm in mid of downloading the data just now. I'm so
Yeah,
sorry.
sure.
Thank you for Venice.
Yeah. So we can load the data again. So you have an option called Get Data at the top under the Home tab. So you have Get Data option. So just click that. The file we are going to load is CSV. So you have the option here, text or CSV file. Click this option and it will take you to the file manager. So your data will be in the downloads. Now I'm loading the HR analytics data. Just click the file and give open. So here is my data and I'm just giving load. Yeah. So you can see at the top right corner in the data tab, we have two tables which I have loaded now. So one is the HR analytics data and another one is the HR employee data. So yeah, we have loaded the data here now. So anyone who didn't do this step, can you put it in the chat? Did anyone didn't do this step? You can put it in the chat. So we'll guide you to complete it. Okay. Yeah. So once you have loaded the tables, you can go and analyze your table in the table view. So we have at the left corner, we have an option called table view. Just click that icon and you can able to see your structure of the table here. So we have two tables. One is the employee data. So where we have the employee number and employee names of the company. And we have the HR analytics data. So where we have the age, attrition, how they travel, and daily rate, their department, whether they are research, development, human resource, or department, their educational level, and we have lots of information like their gender, what is the job role they are doing, and the marital status. So usually, even if you are a student studying in a college, they will get all these details, right? From where are you coming from, what is your gender, and your nationality, So these are some basic information that any organization will get it, right? So yeah, we have that here, the monthly income, whether they are doing overtime or not. Yeah, so we have lots of information in this table. The first thing we need to do is loading the data into Power BI, and the second most important thing is analyzing the data. If you don't have the understanding of the data you have, you can't build the report. You can't bring meaningful insights in your report. So yeah, we have promotion status, job satisfaction, and performance rating. So yeah. So let's come to the report view. So report view is the place you will be doing the data visualization, and table view, be analyzing the table here, and we have the model view where we will be giving the relationship to two tables. So we have two tables here. Okay. So before loading, it will look as a two different table. So to make this table interactive, you need to give relationship. For example, we have the table called employee data. Okay. We have lots of employee details. For example, we have Bharat Sally here. So we don't know whether Bharat is a female or male. How will you know this? His employee number is 1 and his name is Bharat. We don't know whether he is male or female. To get this information, you need to go to the other table called Analytics, HR Analytics. So here I can go and filter. So his employee number is 1. Right. Yeah. His employee number is 1. And what's his gender? He's female. She is female. So I thought he is a male, but she is a female, that person. So every time you can't go and filter this table and you can't check this manually, right? So in order to work dynamically, you need to give relationship to these two tables. So in the Power Model view, we have two tables. At the top, we have an option called Manage Relationship. Just click that. If you already have the relationship, it's fine. If there is no relationship, just click Manage Relationship, New Relationship. So we have two tables. One is the analytics data, other one is the employee data. The common column between the two tables is the employee number. We have employee.
Miss,
Yes,
I'm sorry. How to create the relationship just now?
Okay, yeah.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah. So once you load the table into Power BI, go to model view. So sometimes Power BI will automatically form the relationship by its own. Sometimes it won't be. Okay. If you have the relationship already in your report, it's fine. If you don't have the relationship, just follow the steps. Go to manage relationship at the top. We have an option here. Just click that. Give new relationship. So we have two tables, analytics data and the employee data. The common fields between these two tables is the employee number. So I'm selecting these two and giving save. So yeah, just click this and close it. Yeah, now the relationship got established. So everyone are clear?
Clear.
Okay. Yeah. Now the third thing is we have the option called power pivot. I have already explained you 3 views: power view, power pivot, and power query. So we have seen what is power view, and this is report view, and now we are going to see the power query. So at the top we have an under home tab we have an option called transform data. Just click that tab. It will navigate you to this view. So we have these 2 tables which we have loaded. Yeah, so this is the place that you can clean up the data, you can do any kind of transformation. Okay, so clean up the data in the sense, if you want to remove any unwanted columns, you can do that. If you want to add any columns, any conditional or custom columns, you can add that. Let me show you an example. So in the HR analytics table, we have lots of columns. If all these columns are really going to helpful, no. So this is like extra load to the table. If we don't want that, we can simply remove all these columns. Okay, we have a option called number of companies work. So I don't want this table. So if I don't want this table, I'll just click this column, and at the top we have an option called remove column. I'll just give that. Yeah, it removed my column. Let me show you again. So yeah, we have an column called standard hours. So in case this data is not going to be useful for me, I don't want to bring this into Power BI and make my report heavy, I can simply remove this field. So I'll just click the column. At the top I have a column, I have the option called remove columns. I'll just click that. Yeah, my column got removed. So yeah, here I have lots of rows. So in case if I want to yeah, so let's split this. If you want to split the column, so here we have performance rating. So you want to put low in one field and rating in one field, you can also do that. Here we have a split column. So by delimiter, so here the delimiter is space. I just give OK. So yeah, so now your column got splitted into 2 different columns: low in one column, low high, and ratings in one column. So these are some of the transformation we can do. So we can also do lot more transformation in the Power Query editor. You can clean the data. Like this is one of the major step we'll be doing. So the data which I have shared you is already a cleaned and processed one. So we don't want all these steps. Just to explain you the things, I'm showing all this. You can practice this after this call. Yeah. So I'm just closing that. We came back to the older view. Yeah. So let's get started. Let's get started with the visual development. So we have a tab called visualization. Just expand that. We have lots of charts available here, like bar chart, column chart, pie chart, and we have the card. So if you want to know, like, since it's a company level data, if you want to know the total number of employees present in the company, so how will you find that? So yeah, we can do that now. So I am just taking a card here. Just click card. You will get a card here. Now we want to know the total count of employees. So we have employee table here. Just click this, and we have employee number, and click the employee number. Yeah. So in the fields you can see count of employee number. So the total count is 1470 employees are working in that company. So we have built a visual. So it's giving an insight of total number of employees in the company. Anyone having any questions? Like, did you all build the card visual?
Yes.
Can someone screen share and show me the card visual you have created? So someone is asking me to repeat. Instead of me repeating the same thing, you can screen share so that I will guide you. Someone who didn't complete the step, you can screen share and I'll guide you so that it will be helpful for others also. Yeah, thank you. So can you go to the report view? Go to the left corner, the first icon. Yeah, click that. Yeah. So go to left corner, we have data tab there. Sorry, right corner, right. We have data. Yeah. Can you scroll down? Okay, you have, yeah, you have the HR employee data. Just expand that. Scroll down. Yeah. You have the employee number there. Just click that employee number. So you have used the table visual. You just go to the visualization panel, click the card one, fourth row, last one. Fourth row, yeah, that one. Yeah. So the total employee count is 1470. So can you go to the fields? It shows count of employee number, right? So that is aggregation we are doing. So yeah, great job. Yeah, you can stop presenting your screen so that we can move to the next level of visual. Okay. So now we know the total count of employees. So now what if someone wants to know the total number of female employee and the total number of male employee? So how will we going to differentiate this? Yeah. So for that, you need to create a formula for this. So in In Power BI, we call it as DAX, data analysis expression. So we will be writing a data analysis expression now to find the count of male employee and the count of female employee. For that, we need to create a measure. So this is the place where we will put our calculations. So in the home tab, at the right side, we have an option called measure. Just click that. So I'm giving a name to my measure. So female employee count. I have given a name. So now I'm giving a function. I'm using a function called distinct count, which gives the distinct number of employees, which is the total employees. So HR analytics data, in that I'm taking the employee number. Yeah. So just give commit. Click the tick mark. Now I'm going to the same card visual.
Hi Miss, I couldn't able to fill up the command yet. Can you share me the command?
Yeah, I can share you again.
All right.
Yeah, the measure we wrote is what you need to do is we are going to write a formula now. For that, in the home tab, there is an option called new measure. Click that option. It will open a formula pane for you. So here, just give a name to your formula and write your formula here. It's distinct count of employee number. So we are going to count the total employees first. Once you enter this formula, click this tick mark.
Miss? Miss?
Yes.
Can you repeat, can you move back into the HR analytics data and show how you type the employee number? I mean, you backspace.
Yeah. Sure. So I'm going to the table view. So this is the HR analytics data. So this is the table. So here we have the employee number. For example, if you are a student, you will be having a student ID or enrollment number kind of stuffs in your school or colleges, right? Or if you are a working professional, you will be having your employee ID. So everyone will be having a unique employee number. So that is the number here, this employee number. So this is the one we are using in our calculation. So in this, we are going to find how many number of female employees in the company. So I'll take the total number of employees and then I will filter the gender as female. Then I will get the count of female employees. So I'm going back to my report view. I'm going to the formula. So here I have written this formula. So when you put this formula in a card visual, so it gives the total count of employees. So we want the female count of employees. So again, I'm going to the formula. Now I'm going to filter the gender as female. For that, you need to put the calculate function here, and for giving condition, you need to put comma. So put comma and I'm typing gender here. So gender equal to female, giving close bracket. Again, I'm committing this formula. Yeah. So now, out of 1070 employees, 588 are female employees.
Sorry, Miss Bhuvaneshwari, can you please copy the formula and then
Yes.
share the chat box?
Sure.
Thank you.
So you all can use this formula. So someone who have not completed this, finding any difficulty, you can screen share and show me so that I can help you out. Can someone screen share and show me like what you have done? Okay. So you need to give equal to.
Hi, but my result is like this. It's appearing gender female and male, but there's no count of female.
Okay, because you're using a table visual,
All right.
you need to use a card visual. So can you go to visualization tab? So yeah, click that. So you need to use the formula here. You just use the gender column there. Just remove the gender column in the fields. Yeah. So click the formula you have created, like female employee count. Yeah, at the right side.
Right side.
Yeah, just go and type it in the search. Female. Yeah, the second one. Yeah.
Oh, I see.
You just click that formula.
Click the formula, you mean?
I mean, click that column.
Column.
Yeah, just click that at the center.
Like that.
Go to data tab
Data tab.
at the right side corner.
Okay, data tab.
Yeah, at the bottom you have female employee count, right? Just click that. Just click at the center. Just select that.
Okay.
Just
This-
select. Yeah, click there. Yeah, you could able to see the formula, right?
All right.
You can copy that. Yeah. Go and create new measure again at the top. Yeah. Paste the formula. Then change the female to male.
Okay.
Also change the measure name. Change male employee count.
All
Now
right.
commit the formula. Just give that tick mark. Click that tick mark. Yeah. Now put this formula in a new card. In the data tab, go and type male. Yeah, the second one. Just click that. Yeah,
I
you
see.
got the male count. So when you sum up 588 plus 882, you will get 1470.
All right. Thanks.
Yeah, great job, Suhada.
Miss,
Yes.
that means we have to click the visualization card first and then do the new measure, is it?
Yeah, you can do in both the ways. You can first create the formula, then select a card visual, put the formula inside that.
Okay, thank you.
If you're finding any difficulties, just screen share and show me so that I can guide you. It will also be helpful for others.
I will show you mine. It's not
Yeah.
like Miss Nishida, is it? Showing just now. It's not like that. It doesn't appear.
Okay, yeah, I can help you out. Just screen share and show me. Okay. Can you copy the formula I have sent and paste it over here? Yeah. Just click the tick mark at the left corner. In the formula you wrote, right? You need to commit that. You have the tick mark, right? Near the formula at the left side. Or just simply press enter.
Side. Oh, this one.
Green
No,
color.
no, no, top. That green color.
Miss Noor Afisa,
Yes.
in front of the formula bar, there is a cross button, tick mark is there, no? See, little left side, little left side. Just you see the formula bar, tick mark, green color tick mark.
Green.
On the right too.
Yes.
Oh.
Okay. Thank you.
I already create, but doesn't appear here.
Okay. So can you go to the data and search for female employee count? Yeah, just click that. No, in the tick mark. Yeah. So yeah,
Oh, okay.
yeah. So repeat the process for the male employee count.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. So let's move on to the next level of visual. Or I think we can go for a break and we can come back. Let's have 10 minutes of break. Yeah. So, hi students, have you all back from the break?
Yes.
Yes, we are.
Okay,
Yes.
okay, great. So yeah, we can get started with the next level of visualization. So we have found the total employee count, the female count, and the male count. Right. Next, we can see the total employee by the job satisfaction level. So we have good, bad, and like good. They will give the satisfaction as 5-star, 4-star, which is good, which is medium, and which is bad, right? So how many have gave the good level of job satisfaction, and how many have gave the minimal level, and how many have gave the least level of job satisfaction? So for this, we are going to compare the job satisfaction levels. So for this comparison, we usually go with the bar chart or column chart. Okay. For this, we can go with the column chart. So we have the start the column chart here. Just go and click the start column chart. So it's here. So we are going to find the x. So we have x-axis and the y-axis. So usually in the column chart, in the x-axis, we will put the attributes. So the attribute here is job satisfaction level. So for that, just go and type job satisfaction. Click this. So it came in the x-axis. Now, in the y-axis, we need to find the employee count. So here we have the employee number. Click this. Just drag and drop it in the y-axis. Yeah. So now 569 employees have given high, and 449 have given low, and some amount of people have given medium. So this is the graph for it. So here we can easily able to find that lots of people have given the job satisfaction level is high compared to low and medium. So when the owner of the company, he or she comes and see this visual, he can easily find out that some amount of people have given the job satisfaction as low, so that they can go and they can find the root cause for it, why the job satisfaction is low, what is the reason for that, so they can rectify their mistakes, or they can improve their employees work-life balance. So this is one chart we have built. So you all have created. Can you put it in the chat, like if you have created it?
Yes, we did it.
Can someone screen share and show me that If you're created, please screen share and show me so that I will check. If you're not created, also you can screen share and show me so that I can guide you.
Miss, I lost a bit.
So you are not able to do it?
Let me share my screen.
Yeah, please share it.
Give me 1 second. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
So after I add job set, wait, I try again.
Can you go to Power BI? Like I'm not able to see your Power BI screen.
Oh, okay, wait. Maybe I only. Okay, can you see my screen? Miss, can you see my screen?
Yes.
My Power BI.
No, it's still like blank. I mean, you just stop sharing and reshare it again. Give the option called entire screen.
Okay.
Yeah, now it's visible.
Okay. Add stack column chart, right?
Yeah.
And then I
that.
search job certification, right?
Yeah. Put it in x-axis. Yeah, it's in x-axis.
Okay.
Yeah. And for y-axis, search for employee number.
Okay. And
Yeah.
then I drag.
Put it in y-axis. Drag and drop in y-axis. Below x. Yeah. Just remove the legend. You have legend, right? Under y-axis.
Hmm?
Under y-axis, you have legend, right? Legend. Y-axis. Under y-axis. Just remove that bottom one. Yeah, that one. Yes. In x-axis, put the job satisfaction. Yeah.
Something like this.
Yes, you got it.
Okay, got it. Thank
Yeah,
you.
great, great. So yes. Yeah, we can go to the next set of visual, or yeah, maybe we can do the formatting for this visual. So just click the visual and so here we have the bar, but we don't know the actual count. Only when I hover this, it's showing it's 569. So if you are giving this report to a non-technical person, they can't find this option, right? It's hard for them to find, okay, if we hover, then we'll get to know the count. They can't think in that way. Not everybody are same, right? So for that, we should enable the data label. So just click this chart, go to visualization. In this, click the format your visual option in the middle. Just scroll down. We have an option called data label. So just click that. Yeah. So now you got the values at the top. So people can easily find the values by seeing the visual itself. And in case if you want to change the color, you can also do that. So you can go to the same tab. We have the option called columns. And here we have the option called color. Click this. Just giving this color. Yeah. So then now the color got changed. And if you want to give some other title to your visual, go to general. You have the option called title. click drop down and you can give the title you want. Like I'm giving total employee by job satisfaction. Yeah. So I gave the title. I'm just increasing the size of my title and giving it in bold. And if you want to change the color of your title, you can do that also. So now the visual looks a little bit better, right? The feel and look and feel of the visual is a little bit good. So anyone have any questions on this?
Miss,
Yes.
it's possible if we want to know the height satisfaction, low and medium based on the gender.
Sorry?
The table shows as 3 column, which is height, low and medium satisfaction.
Yes.
If we want to know the height, for example, for the height satisfaction, we want to know how much females and male.
Yes, we can do that. Yeah, it's a great question. So you just click this visual and we have the option called gender, right? Just search for that. And in the legend, just put the gender. Got it?
Yes, thank you,
Now,
Miss.
in height, 237 are, okay, this is female. So 237 is female and 332 is male. It's a great question. So this is how we will be thinking in a business perspective. So if you want to change the color, you can go. So you can give the color you want. For female, I'm giving this pink one. And for male, some blue color. Yeah, this looks good, I guess. So anyone have any questions on this? Have you guys recreated this in your reports?
Miss, can you show again the how to change for male and female color?
Yeah. So just go to the data, search for gender column, drag and drop the gender column in the legend. Just drag and drop it here. That's it. Maybe you can screen share. I can guide you. Can someone show me this? How you have created, like if you have completed, you can screen share and show me. Yeah, great. You can go to the columns and you can change the color. Just go scroll down. Click the columns. In the series, click the series. Yeah. Scroll down. Yeah, you can change the color. Great. Yeah, good job. So anyone facing difficulty in doing this?
Yeah, hi, Miss Bhuvan.
Hi.
Sorry. Forgive me if anyone else has asked this question, but if let's say I would like to have several illusions, or let's say one on the same sheet, I have a bar chart, I have a circle where I can have the in percentage analysis. How would I integrate? For instance, if I want to select one data, will it change the data at the other visuals as well?
Yes. So when you click
Um,
one visual, will it
uh-huh.
affect the other visual or not? Is that the question?
Yes.
Yeah, it will. So that is why we are giving the relationship, and that is the speciality of Power BI. It's very interactive. Let me show
Ah.
you that. So yeah, it's a great question. So yeah. So is my screen visible?
Yes.
Okay. So you asked if I click one visual, will it affect the other visual? So here I'm clicking this 289. Can you see the cards? It is also changing.
I see. I see. Mm.
If I click 170, it's changing. It's affecting the other visuals.
Ah.
So it's very interactive. That's really a nice question.
Mm. Because at times I will be having several correlations. I would say, for instance, I have various data, but for one illustration, I will be using, for instance, two or three data sets. For the other one, maybe the remaining other data. So I would like to see the correlations when I click on one data from one visual, and I would like to also see the data that correlates with other data
Yeah.
on the other visual.
Yeah. So that's
Mm-mm.
what I have did here. So maybe we can build a lot more visuals and we can check at the final how it's affecting the whole report.
Yeah.
Hi, Miss Buva. Sorry, I have a questions. So the things now is in a count form. How can I convert it into percentage? Do I need to create a new variable, a new item to recalculate the things?
Okay. You are asking, now we are doing the count. What
Yeah,
if you want to create some
in
subtraction?
percentage.
Yeah, it's a good question. Okay. Now, uh, let's check this card visual. Okay. So here, what we did is count of employees we have done. It's a count. So if you want to change it to a sum, which means the addition, so you can go to the fields. Here you have the drop down. In the drop down, you can choose sum, average, min, max, count, distinct, median, variance, whatever you want, you can choose. So I am giving sum here. So it shows 2 million, which is actually wrong because it's summing up the employee number, but we need the actual requirement of the report is the count. So that's why I'm using the count.
Yeah, how about if it's in percentage? Which one we will need to choose?
Yeah. So if you want to convert it as a percentage, we have, so let's take gender. Okay. So it's a text format. So let's take employee number. We have employee number here. So here we have the option at the top. We have the option called format. So here you can change it as currency, decimal, percentage. Just click this employee number and click percentage. Okay. It won't change because you're not. When will we use percentage? While dividing something, right? So it's a straightforward thing. I will show you an example for using the percentage. Let's find the percentage of female employee count. Okay. So I'm creating a measure. Let's take percentage of female is equal to so where gender is equal to female. So this is one calculation. So let's take this as female count. Now I'm finding the total count. Okay. So in one variable, I have the count of female employees. In other variable, I have the count of total employees. So to find the percentage of female employee, what I will do is I will divide. So I'm using, other than count, we can also use divide, sum. We have lots of functions in Power BI. So I'm dividing the female count by the total count. So I'm giving the commit. Then I'm taking a card visual. The formula I created is percentage female. Now it's 0.40. Now I'm going to convert it as a percentage. I'm just clicking this female and going to the measure tool tab. Here we have the percentage formatting. I'm just clicking that. See, it's 40% you got. Have you understood?
Yes. But could you share the WhatsApp, the comment to the chat or something? Because
Sure.
I a bit missed on that one. But I know what you are trying to say. Thank you so much.
Yeah, it's a good question. Okay, we can move to the next level of visual. Okay, now I'm just going to the data and I'm just thinking what kind of information I can give. So if you have any suggestions, you can give me, like, yeah, yes.
Sorry, I would like to ask me. Let's say if I have a data and
Okay.
the data sets, for instance, there will be like various types of data sets where in some cases we will be having spelling errors, we'll be having that kind of variables, but it's actually the same thing. So will the Power BI capture the let's say for instance I spell people, but
sometimes the data can be spelled people with 2E at the back, with
Mm-hmm.
2P at the front. So will the Power BI will detect the people when I want to display it?
Okay, good question. Like your question is like, if there is any mistakes in the data, will Power BI automatically detect the mistake and will it change to the right format? That's your question,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
So yeah, for that only, I have explained about the Power Query editor where we can transform and clean the data. Power BI, it won't detect the data automatically. We need to go and we need to check the data. If we find any discrepancy, we need to manually, it's not manually, we have the options in Power BI to clean up and transform the data. So for your question, in the home tab, we have an option called transform data. Okay, you need to click this. It will take you to a different tab, which is called Power Query Editor. So let's assume this is employee name, but you want in a format, let's think this is not a right way. So you want all the employee names to be in capital letter. Okay. For that, you can just click this, go to transform. So here we have the format option, uppercase. So it turned into uppercase. And here, okay, we have age here, right? So age, the data type they have given is text. But if you want the age to be in number format, you can just click it here, and you can change it as whole number. So you can change the data type of the column. So it's not that Power BI will automatically detect the errors. It won't be. Most of the times we will be going and we'll be analyzing our data. If you want to do any kind of transformation or cleaning up your data, you can do it in Power Query Editor. So all the options are available, like joining two tables, merging, append, union, and removing column, adding columns, and splitting the columns, and yeah, lot more. So
Understood.
you got the
Thank
answer
you.
for that?
Yeah, I got.
Yeah.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks for the question. Yeah, we can move to the next level of visual. So yeah, here we have the overtime. So if we need to find out how many number of people have worked overtime and how many are not. So if you want to find that, we can go to, yeah, we are going to see the splitting of data, right? So how many overtime and how many are not. It's kind of a split. So for that, I'm going to use a pie chart. In pie chart, in the legend, I'm going to use the overtime column. And in the values, I'm going to use the employee number. Yeah. So now we know that 71% are doing overtime, not doing overtime, and only 28% of people are doing overtime. So if you want to change, yes. Any questions? So you can go to the format pane. You can change the color of the visual. You can also change the title. Yeah. Any questions on this?
Please, can you show again where is the count for overtime?
Okay. So you can click the, I will show you again. Click the pie chart. It's in the third row corner. Then go to data tab. In the search, type overtime. Drag and drop the overtime in the legend. And in the values, you go and type the employee number. So here we have employee number. Drag and drop that in the values. You will get the pie chart. If you want, you can screen share and show me. I can guide you. So everyone, are you guys clear with the pie chart? We can move to the next level of visual. Yeah, next we can try out something with the bar chart. So we have the number of service here. So the total working here, maybe we can create something with that. Just go to a stacked bar chart. Click the stacked bar chart. So in the y-axis, we need to put our attribute. So our attribute is total working year. So just go and type total working year. Put that in the y-axis. Then we have the x-axis where we need to put our values. So for that, I'm taking the employee number from the HR employee table. I am putting that in the x-axis. Yeah. So now we can able to see lots of people are working more than 10 years. So from this, we can able to analyze that lots of senior most people are working in the company. And there is a very less number of count. For the actual value, you can go to the format your visual pane and you can go to the data label and just enable that. And if you want to color this one, you can just go and color this. Any questions on this? Can someone screen share? Can someone screen share and show me? Can someone screen share and show me, like, if you have completed, just show me so that I can verify that we are in the same track. Yeah, great. Good. It looks good.
Miss, can I ask, how do we change this number into a whole number?
Okay, can you click that pie chart? Go to the format visual.
Pie chart, okay, format visual.
Yeah, just click that data label. Expand that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Oh, this one.
there you, yeah.
Oh. Oh, okay. So I mean I want in the whole number instead of the decimal point like this.
So you want to remove that?
Yes, instead of 0.2k, I want like 420, like whole number like that.
You can't. Okay, you can't, like, in the decimal it's auto,
Oh.
right? Give 10. In decimal it's auto.
Oh, okay.
Go to the same option.
Visual, okay, sorry. Detail label, right? Hello, miss? Oh, sorry.
Click the values.
Okay. Sorry, my internet.
At the bottom, value decimal places is auto, right?
Yes.
Just click that. Yeah, if you click 0 at the top also.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Now with the decimal points are changing. You can keep that according to your preference.
Okay. Okay. Okay, thank you, miss.
Okay. So any other questions? So in the chat, someone have asked, if we don't know what formula to key in at the measure, how can we get it? So for that, you need to go and learn all the functions in DAX. So we have various types of functions like time intelligence, text functions, aggregate functions. So we have lots of functions. So you need to go and explore that. Only from that you will get to know about the functions and what keyword should I need to use. So if you are going to do addition, you need to use the keyword sum. If you are going to do multiplication, you need to use the star function. We have the star, right, that we have to use. So only if you go and read all those things, you will get to know. And another question I got is, could you briefly explain how AI Gemini can help to visualize the data at Power BI? So Gemini, Like Gemini is a tool which Google provides. It's a kind of AI boards. We have lots of AI boards in market like Gemini, Copilot, and we have ChatGPT. So you can go and you can ask your questions there. You can keep that as your learning platform to explore lots of stuffs. So in terms of visualization, you can go and like if you are stuck writing formulas, you can use Gemini and it will help you to write your DAX functions. If you want to get any ideas on your visualization, you can ask in Gemini or ChatGPT or any platform. It's based on your wish. Okay, so someone have asked, what if we want to add in new data in the Excel? Will it also appear in the bar or chart? Yeah, it's a good question. Like if you are adding a new data, you need to refresh the report. I will show you how to refresh the report. So we have the report here. So if you are going to add new data in your Excel, you have to refresh. So at the top, we have an option called refresh. So once you click that, it will refresh the tables and fetch you the new data. Any other question?
Miss, can you teach us how to use the slices in this Power BI?
Yes. Yeah, I will show you that.
Okay.
So we have the report here. So if you want to filter the data for one specific employee, or if you want to filter the data only for the female count, so you can opt for the option called slicers, which is kind of a filter in Power BI. So in the visualization panel, you have an option called slicer. So in the 5th row, 3rd one. So just click that. So it's a slicer. Okay, let's have the employee name in the slicer. Yeah, so we have the employee names here. So what if someone want to see the details of only Adam? So I'm just clicking Adam here. So Adam count is 1. So Adam she's a female employee and her job satisfaction level is low and she's not doing any overtime and her level of experience is 8. So this report is giving lots of information about each and every employee. So this is how we will use the slicer. We can also use this slicer in different formats. You can keep this as a drop down too. So this is how you can use. So let's create another slicer. Click the slicers. Okay, let's have this column like business. Okay, let's have department. We have 3 departments here. So I want to know how many number of employees working in human resource. By just clicking this, I can find that 63 employees are in human resource. Out of 63, 20 are female and 43 are male. And their job satisfaction count. And out of that 63 employees, their level of experience. And also someone have asked in the start of the session, about the interaction of the report. So when you click this, it's getting interacted. So out of this 46 employees who is not doing overtime, 14 are female and 32 are male. And you can see the interaction here. When I click one visual, the other visual is getting interacted. Yeah, this is how the slicer works. Any other questions?
Miss, I
Yes.
want to ask a question. How we want to make this data is presentable? And during
Okay.
present, we can manipulate the data.
So you are asking how to make this report look presentable.
Yeah, the presentable. If we want to
Okay.
presentation,
For that,
we can.
Do we need to open the Power BI when we do the presentation, or is there any other way that we can present this without using the Power BI?
yeah. So, okay. Your question is how to present this to others. So this Power BI desktop is for developers, for us who are creating the reports. So we can't open Power BI every time, and if you want to share it with our friends or colleagues or clients, we can't open this every time and present it to others. For that, we have an option called Power BI Service. It's a cloud platform where I'll be publishing my report in cloud. So here we have the option called Publish. So we need to save the file before that. So once you publish a report, okay, I'm just giving some name. I gave some name to my report and I'm just saving this in my local. So yeah, this is how it will ask. So for that, you need to create you need to sign up in Power BI service. So you can go to Google, you can just type app.powerbi. So when you sign in, so you need to sign in using your account. But if you are going to use your personal account, you can't sign in with app.powerbi because it's available only for organizational level. If you are belonging to any company, any organization, you have that organizational level email ID. You can sign in here. It will take you to the Power BI cloud platform. You can publish the report. State if it's my workspace. So if you give select, it will be publishing it to the workspace I am having. So yeah, it got successfully published. So to present this report to the people, you can sign in here and the report be published here will be available in the cloud. You can just share the link to them so that they can view your reports. So this is how we can present the report to someone else. And you can use the Power BI trial versions to do this. Since I don't have the organizational account, I can't show you now. But you guys can explore after the session. Any other questions?
Hi, Miss. I have questions. So
Yes.
let's say this is our visual for the first page, right? Are we able to create another page for another kind of view? And how would I add the page?
Okay. Yeah. So your question is, how can I add a new page and create a different format of visual, right?
Yes, correct. So let's say this is the something satisfactions and how many person working for how many years from which
Yeah.
department. So let's say for the second page, right? I wanted it to be like the percentage of um something else, right? So how
Yes.
I'm going to create another pages for that or few pages, next pages for that.
Yeah. Let
Right.
me show you. It's just simple process. So this is the page. So we are in page 1, right? You can give name to this page. Let me give employee detail. Okay. So we have a plus symbol here, right? So once you click that, a new page will get opened. If you click, you can create how many number of pages you want to create, you can create it here. You can give names to that page. Let's keep this page as student detail. And if you want to create any kind of visual, you can create it over here. And you can also navigate to the previous page by just clicking the tabs. You got it?
Yes, thanks.
Yeah. Anything else?
Hi, I'm just wondering if we can change because the layout like landscape to me. Can we do it like a portrait size of layout?
What kind of layout you want to create?
Because the one that we show on the screen is like a landscape, right?
Yeah.
Is yeah. How is there any way that we can change that size into landscape?
Okay. Yeah. Yes. You can't like fully change, but you can change the size of the page. So you can go to the visualization. You have an option called canvas setting. Click that. So in the type, so you can give the custom and you can change the page size. So if you want to reduce the height, you can reduce it. So yeah, the height got reduced. And if you want to reduce the width, you can reduce it. Could you able to see the change? Now,
Yes, thank you.
yeah. See, it turned out to be in landscape. And in Power BI, we have an option called the view we are seeing here is like it's a view for the monitor. Like it's for the Windows view. You can also change this view to the mobile view. At the bottom, we have two views. One is the desktop view and other one is the mobile view. So you can also create the report for the mobile. Can also create the report in the mobile view. Yeah. So these are the options available You can also install the mobile version of Power BI. Go to App Store or Play Store. You can download Power BI mobile app. You can build some basic reports and publish it in Power BI service. And you can view the reports through your mobile. Any other questions? I think we came to the end of the session.
Okay. So thank you, Ms. Bhuvan, for sharing your knowledge to everybody.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. It was my pleasure.
Thank you.
Yeah, it was
Thank
actually
you
a
so
nice
much.
session. It was very interactive, and they were asking lots of questions, which was so good.
Okay, 1
Thank you.
minute. Everybody.
Oh yeah, attendance.
Okay, so